Calculating the area of plane figures when coordinates of the vertices are given. The basic figure for area is triangle. So if you can calculate the area of triangle, then if you have a polygon, if you have any sided figure except the circle because it doesn't have sides, then you can calculate the area of any plane figure. So let us see how can we do that. Taking an example, when three vertices are given, the coordinates of three vertices are available. Let us say this is A, B, and C, x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Let's understand it practically first. What is the information with us? We want to calculate this area, right? So what we can do, I'll mark these pointed D, E, and F. From the figure we can see if you calculate the area of BDEA, this is the area, the whole area, this one, and AEFC, again a trapezium, two trapezium are there, and then subtract this BDFE, the white part. From this and this, if you separate out the white part, you get the area of the triangle. Now, why I have preferred trapezium? Because if you look at the trapezium BDAE, or the other one is AEFC, in the very beginning, I've told you that coordinate geometry, we should know horizontal and vertical distances. When you look at this figure, it has more of the inclined sides. But if you look at the trapezium, the height DE is along x-axis, BD and AE, the parallel sides, they are along y-axis. So we can get the values of these and calculate. Similarly, we can get the value of these and calculate the area of the other trapezium. Same is BDFC. We have the vertical line and a horizontal line for the area. So to find the area of triangle ABC, we are using area of BDEA plus area of AEFC minus area of BDFC. So we have to take the area of BDE, AEFC, and area of BDC. Two areas I am adding, and the third area I am subtracting. So BDFC, these are the parallel sides, BD plus CF, and I'm multiplying DF. Now, according to the coordinate system, we have all things BD, AE, DE, all these lengths are either horizontal or vertical. So let's see, we can take half common. After taking half common, I'll see what is BD. BD is a vertical length, that is y1. Then I go for AE. AE is y2. DE. DE is nothing but it is x2 minus x1. This is x2 minus x1. This we have understood while we were discussing distance formula. Now it comes for AE. What is AE? AE is again y2. CF y3. This is multiplied with EF. What is EF? It is x3 minus x2. Then subtract BD. BD is y1 and CF is y3. And we are subtracting DF. DF is what? x3 minus x1. Now it is a binomial multiplication with binomial, binomial multiplication with binomial, binomial multiplication with binomial. Finally, when you do that all multiplication and on simplifying, you come to the result x1 y2 plus y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. So this is the final formula, and we have to put that in modulus value because area can never be negative. So absolute value, जिसे हम modulus sign कहते हैं, if the number is negative inside but the answer is absolute value, which you did in your 6th standard, I'm reminding you again that always come a positive value. So when you multiply and simplifying, you will get this result, and this is how you will calculate. And it's very easy to remember this. How to remember this? 1, 2, 3. This should be the sequence. You start with 1, and that is x. X remains outside, and y's, that is ordinates, they remain in bracket and they are added. It's a product of, because area is a product. You know that area is what? Area is a product. Area हमेशा length and breadth का product होता है. So abscissa into difference of the ordinate plus abscissa into difference of the ordinates plus abscissa into difference of the ordinate, that you should keep in mind. And it goes in a sequence 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2. So this is a sequence, you can see that. So this is how you have to remember this formula. And this formula, straight away, what you have to do, you have to just put the values in a sequence. 1, 2, 3 you take 1, x1, then y2 minus y3, then again x2, then next one minus this one, then you take x3, then this minus this. So this is how you can remember this formula also. So I've